Hi there, my name is Tatiana and you're watching YouTube channel You Can. Today is June 1, 2026 and I am located in central Pennsylvania zone 6B. Today's video is about a 4-foot fence that will keep deer out of your garden. A couple years ago, I had made a video about our 4-foot fence. At that time, it was made out of chicken wire that I had claimed was keeping deer out of our garden. Time went on and people made a lot of comments. Thank you very much, because that makes my channel grow. The comments were that A, the deer are not hopping over the fence because they have plenty of other things to eat, so they don't hop over the 4-foot fence, or that we don't have deer that will actually hop over the 4-foot fence because according to the majority of comments, there's no way a 4-foot fence would keep white-tailed deer out of a place that they would like to get into. As time went on, I thought maybe I was delusional in thinking that a 4-foot fence would keep white-tailed deer out of my yard, and all the people that made the comments were actually right. And the more I looked at my chicken wire 4-foot fence, the more I thought that maybe I'm just hoping that that's what keeping the deer out, but in actuality that's not the truth, so I'll just rip it down. And rip it down I did, and guess what? The deer have now infested my yard. The deer munch this and that and everything they can get their snouts onto, they munch. For those of you who may have not seen the previous video about the 4-foot fence keeping out deer, the philosophy was deer are wild animals. They are not going to put themselves into an enclosure because that's dangerous for them. The deer either has to be scared to jump into an enclosed space or desperately hungry, and I mean hungry as in its life depends on it being able to eat that little blade of grass. But as you can see, maybe or maybe not, there's plenty of grass all around the neighborhood because all the neighbors are raising grass for the wildlife. Now that we have ripped down the chicken wire fence, we are going to put a shocking wire fence to help deter the deer. We are planning to put 3 or 4 strands and put them under electricity so that when the deer come and sniff the wire, they'll get zapped and hopefully turn around and go the other way. If you want to find out how this shocking wire fence works to deter deer, stay tuned for the next video.